Hello my friends, welcome back to my channel. Evkalma here, and to those who are new in my channel, please welcome. Today my friends, we are making a bacon sweet potato vermicelli stir fry, and this is a delicious and easy to do recipe. And what we need are sweet potato vermicelli, roasted sesame seeds, bacon bits, freshly ground black pepper, sesame oil, soy sauce, chicken broth mix, brown sugar, shallots, garlic, carrots, green chili pepper, green onions, cilantro, baby bok choy, and water to cook our sweet potato vermicelli. So what we're going to do first is we are going to cook in a boiling water the sweet potato vermicelli for about 8 to 10 minutes. So let's get started and follow along. While we are cooking the sweet potato vermicelli, we are going to prepare the rest of the ingredients.
Or a little bit earlier.
5:30?
Like 5:35?
Yeah, okay. I'll be there.
Okay.
Okay, bye. Bye. See you.
So once the water boils, add the sweet potato vermicelli and cook for about 8 to 10 minutes. Once they are rinsed in cold water, they look like these. This is optional, by the way. If you want to cut the sweet potato vermicelli, use the scissors to cut just twice if you do not want to eat them long. So we are going to stir fry first the sweet potato vermicelli. High heat, and add 2 tablespoons of sesame oil. After heating up for about a minute or two, add half of the chopped garlic. Saute for about a minute or two. And add the sweet potato vermicelli. And stir fry for about 2 minutes to 3 minutes and set aside on high heat. So add about 6 tablespoons of soy sauce, and stir. Smells so good. Remain on high heat and we will cook the bacon until it is golden brown. Look how much the oil of the bacon has after cooking. So we are going to drain all of these oil out, and we will put aside all the golden brown bacon. And we are ready to cook the rest of the ingredients to make our bacon sweet potato vermicelli stir fry. Too much oil, isn't it? So high heat again, and add 2 tablespoons of sesame oil. Add the remaining chopped garlic. Saute for about a minute. Add the shallots. The carrots. Saute for about a minute, cooking them on high heat until everything are cooked. Add the bok choy. Saute. So we are cooking the rest of the ingredients on high heat until we completed the recipe. Cook the bok choy for about a minute. So we'll add half water. Add the sugar in. Brown sugar. Add the chicken broth mix. The freshly ground black pepper. We will add the vermicelli. Add the green onion, half of the green chili pepper, and half are for garnishing. Good. It smells so delicious, and it smells so good. So we will add half of the bacon, and the rest of the bacon will be garnishing. Half of the bacon bits and half of the roasted sesame seeds and half of the chopped cilantro. And turn the heat off, and we're ready to serve. It looks so delicious, and it smells so yummy. Can you smell it from there? Good. Food is life to me. Yum. Now my favorite part is garnishing them as well. So bacon bits. Just half for now, like the remaining. Sesame seeds. Okay. cilantro, the remaining cilantro. Okay, the remaining green chili pepper. Good. Okay, and the remaining bacon bits on the top. Okay, and the remaining bacon. Yum. Look at them. They smell so good. And they made me hungry. Are you hungry yet? If you love bacon, this recipe is for you. So the best part is to try what I cooked. Smells so good and yummy. Look at the bacon. Good. And the green chili pepper. Yum. Who loves bacon? Me, yes. Okay, so optional, we will serve or sprinkle with lemon juice on top. It's up to you, it's optional. And this recipe is medium spicy, so it's not very spicy. And if you like really spicy, add hot sauce. Good. To make it spicy, if you love spicy food. Okay, you can add more if you wish. It's up to you. Now it's time to eat what I cooked. Dad, come. You wanna have some? Huh? Hello? Do you want some? Tastes so good, Daddy. Come take some, Dad. So good. And the bacon tastes so good. Serving my hubby, he is camera shy, so serving him separately. Good. Want some Tabasco in it? Want some Tabasco or no? Okay. Good. Some bacon. This will be for his lunches as well tomorrow. Add lemon juice. And he said he wants Tabasco, so let's add some hot sauce. And he's not into really hot spicy food. I just put less for him. And he loves to eat with chopsticks, so we'll give him chopstick. There you go, Daddy. Come and get it. It's right there. Hello? You want to eat with me here? Okay. I already put lemon. Unless you want it even more sour. He wants to watch his YouTube show.
I see.
He said it's spicy. No, it's not. You can do it. The green pepper. Yummy. Who loves bacon? A lot of bacon in here. Shout out to all my friends. To all my friends who commented my last few vlogs. Shout out to all of you. And shout out to all my live streaming classmates. I hope you try this at home, isn't it? It is very easy to do. Bacon. Yummy. Want some bacon? Sorry, my friends. I made you hungry. So good. Good. That was good to the last drop. This is apple juice, by the way, not wine. And thank you so much for watching, my friends. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Like, share, drop a comment. And if you have not done already, please subscribe and turn the bell next to it. I hope to see you next Friday. Happy cooking, and I hope you all have a great week ahead. Bye for now. Cheers to good health, happiness, and success. Cheers.